Ponyhead? What's wrong?
Oh, no!
Pony, use your words.
I heard screaming. Oh, it's Ponyhead. What, did she run out of rainbow toothpaste again?
Yeah, probably. Whatever it is, we'll go through it together.
Okay, I'll tell you. I'm ready to reveal. The Bounce Lounge is closing.
Hey, let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's probably not even closing. I mean, since when has Ponyhead been right about anything?
Oh, yeah.
It's closing.
O TikTok tem